Are you gonna go swimming? Ah, yeah? Wait, are you practicing? Are you practicing your swimming? Huh? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, face plant. Hi. Hi. Look at your cool swim outfit. Oh, you look cool. You don't match, but you look cool. Let's put your hat on. Yeah. Oh, there we go. What a cool dude. Quit doing a face plant. You're going to hurt yourself. Hey, you're going to hurt yourself. Hi. Are we going swimming? Are you excited? Yeah. Well, look how strong you're getting. Are you shaking the head? Emmy. Emmy. Hi, baby. Look at your nice shorts. They're so cool. Yeah. Hi. Hi. No, you can't have the phone. That's Mommy's. No. Okay, say bye.